For centuries, Paris has attracted artists from all over the world, arriving in the city to educate themselves and to seek inspiration from its artistic resources and galleries. As a result, Paris has acquired a reputation as the city of art. This is where art breathes. I would like to welcome each one of you to this art exhibition of the renowned painter Varma. The theme for the exhibition is Naked Ladies and Their True Colors. You can see 99 naked female paintings and their colors. Each color has an emotion. 99 paintings, 99 emotions, but still, one is unwrapped. Let's see what emotion, or rather, color, is hidden in his 100th painting. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we now reveal Varna's 100th painting.
Excuse me?
I am Varna. I called yesterday.
Oh, you. Come in.
Thanks. It's a beautiful place. Are you Shweta?
Yeah, I. Why do you look so shocked? Is it because I look different? Not like the girls you see in brothels.
No, it's not like that. But I agree. I am a bit confused.
Actually, I like being this way. Just 1 second. Hello? Yeah, I'm Shweta. I'm busy today and tomorrow. Yeah, day after tomorrow is okay for me. But I will choose the place. No. As I told you, same pay, no extra charges. Can I make you a drink?
I prefer water. I mean, at least for now.
Okay. So,
Yeah?
so should we just go inside?
But I want a favor before that.
Okay, ask for it.
I want to make a painting of you as I get warmer in your company. I mean, naked painting.
Painting. Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not. I think it's really important for me to show you your painting before I make love to you.
Okay, so is that the reason why you got all these things here?
Yeah, I think now you know I am an artist, and it would be my pleasure to paint you. You know what? I'll make sure that you'll get the first copy because it is my 100th painting.
Okay. So you think I'm lucky. But you know, it's really surprising for me because most people who come here, most of the men who come here have these really wild sorts of fantasies like BDSM and whatnot, and you want to paint me. It's a funny thing, you know. Everybody wants to just play with my boobs, and you you want to paint them. I'm a bit surprised.
I'm not sure about anyone else, but I I see you as an artist. And I'm not here for sex. I mean, I'm not here for only sex. I want to give something back. Something to remember. A memory. Perhaps this painting.
You know, you're the first person to look at me like this. Until now, everyone who's just looked at me has treated me like this glass of water. Transparent, emotionless.
Who says water is emotionless? It is emotive. It is expressive. You add a tinge of color to it and it will show that emotion.
Yeah, that does make sense. I think that's the reason why I just keep looking at these paintings all day. You know, I just lose track of time when I just look at these paintings.
Tell me something. Is it only the colors that makes you stare at them? Maybe it's also the shadows. You know, people often tell us that we draw outlines of the subjects. But actually, we draw shadows and that reveals the highlights.
Oh, ironically, I think what's hidden in the shadows reveals the reality of the object. Wow, impressive. How should I pose?
You choose the pose you like.
Okay then, I'll just have a drink. So I want to ask you one thing. You said that this is your 100th painting. So why did you choose me out of everyone?
Because my first painting was a lie. I mean, the girl who left me.
Oh, love failure, huh?
My love never failed me. I just trusted a lie.
So, leaving me aside and her, who else have you painted?
You see, I have a theme. Naked ladies in their true colors. So I have painted many girls, and this is my 100th painting. And it's very close to my heart.
So my painting is that special. You know, women like us are given a special name. They call us a bitch. And you consider that special. All right.
See, as far as I'm concerned, I think woman is the most beautiful creation of nature. And I've painted so many girls. I think this time I want to paint someone who has a special title. And guess what? This time, for the first time, my paintings are being exhibited at an art gallery in Paris.
Great. And congrats. My body seems fine to you to paint? I think smile is your best answer.
May I use these 3 glasses to dip my brushes?
Sure. But why the 3 glasses?
It's kind of OCD. I don't like to mix color families together.
Hey, I have a doubt. So you said that you've painted around 99 naked women until now. Have you made love to all of them?
Yeah, all of them.
So then there's no difference between you and me. I mean, maybe I do what I do for bucks and you for your work.
Actually, I don't force anyone to, but it's kind of mutual.
You may not force, but the desire is always there.
Desire, yes, but desperation, no. Okay, forget about my desires and my work. How did you end up here?
Who said I ended up here? I began here. I mean, situations led me to.
Situations. Those are just excuses.
Did it ever cross your mind that those excuses could actually be the truth?
So I think under the disguise of truth, you are doing something which you don't like.
Me? Impossible.
I saw the sleeping pills in your bag. I think they say it's possible. You know what? Smile is my best answer, and silence is yours.
I don't like sharing my personal matters with anyone. And anyway, being emotional is something that does not suit me.
Not being emotional is also an emotion. I think the best one. But you know what? If you really want to, then please share.
Okay, I might not share everything, but just as in my case, you can find these sleeping pills in the bag of a software engineer, or a housewife's shelf, or a policeman's wallet, a lawyer's desk, or a painter's satchel.
But,
Yes, I make my own choices. And this life that I'm leading is with no regret and no disappointment. It is actually my strength. You know what? I have a fucking satisfaction in doing this. Not the sexual one, but the professional one. And I'm not guilty about doing this because guilt is just an emotional monster that will eat you up from inside. You know what? You're just a fucking asshole. It was just the first day that I shed a tear while doing this, and it's today that I'm feeling so emotional.
I'm so sorry. That wasn't my intention, Shweta.
It's okay, Varna. You know, there are many people who've had sex with me, but you're the first person who's actually calling me by my name. After this painting, I'm all yours, Varna.
So is this desperation or desire?
It's pleasure. Mostly I give, but I like to receive as well, especially if it's from you.
Okay, another thing. Why do you use these sleeping pills for?
Most of the people who come to me at night give me a lot of physical stress. So, these pills are just to dissolve it.
Great, you are doing this with satisfaction, but I think society will not consider it like that.
Fuck society. Who cares about society? Society is always going to find faults with whatever we do. I just care about the whispers inside me. You know, doing wrong deeds to own a respectable profession is worse than doing the wrong deed as your profession itself and then leading a pious life. And I found myself in it. So I may be a prostitute by the society, but a woman by nature.
So you chose prostitution as your respectable profession. Great. But society has no respect for it.
Society is all those who come to me at night. You know, just like you think your ex is wrong, I feel the same way about society. After they have sex with me, they cannot even look at me. None of them is daring enough to look back and face the truth. That means society is false.
True. That's indeed true.
You're sure about this pose?
Can you move a little right? Tilt a little more? Yeah. Just stay. Shweta, the last one. Have you ever felt that what you did is wrong? Not even once? Like I'm just being curious.
My soul is my self-respect. And all this time, I feel that I've been selling my body. But not soul. My soul.
Shweta, the painting is done.
I always thought that I won't be alive if I don't paint. But I was wrong. I'm really fortunate that I'm able to share this painting with you all. However, this is my last painting.
What I think matters to me. It's not my fault if you mistake me. What I think matters to me. It's not my fault if you mistake me. I take your orders, but mind I'm not your slave. I take your orders, but mind I'm not your slave. You dispose lust on me, and I have nothing to complain. But you tell the world I'm a whore. There's a reason for all that I do that you don't have to know. Oh, damn, you are so low. Oh, What I think matters to me. It's not my fault if you mistake me.